Hi friends, this is Press again, and of course, nandito ulit tayo guys to unbox something that I bought from Pumbakhayon. Well guys, this Ganban kasi walang laruan, so nagano tayo ng different avenue kung paano tayo makakapag-collect. So guys, may collection din ako ng knife, so yun, i-share ko lang yung nabili ko ngayon sa Pumbakhayon na knife. Ngayon, kakarating lang ngayon guys, ito siya. Yan, ito guys, unbox natin. Yan, ito yung simple na lang, add to my collection. Yes guys, so open na natin. Yan guys, so open natin siya with my knife from Pumbakhayon, and it's one of my favorite also. It's my EDC knife, so fixed blade. Okay naman siya. So open natin ito guys. Yan guys, safe na safe guys. COD pala ito guys sa Pumbakhayon. So kung nanonood kayo ng mga live nila, magandang COD sila. So babayaran mo na lang pagdating sa inyo. Yan guys, open natin. Nice guys. Actually, ito yung inaay ko sa kanila eh. So, pag live kasi, nag-aano sila ng mga extra discount. So, sa live ako bumibili. Okay, guys. Yun guys, ganda niya guys. Tanggal natin yung presyo. Yan guys, yan, ganda niya guys. Pati yung carve niya, dito I think is a ano ba to? It's a bird. So yun, may lanyard loop din siya, and of course mahogany scabbard. Ano ba to? Mahogany handle din yata. Inipit ang tawag nila, full tank siya guys, so very durable. So yun guys, may libre na siyang lanyard loop. So open natin yung knife. Nice, ang ganda guys, ganda, very sturdy yung knife. Actually drop point siya. So guys, oil lang to, para kasi made of molya, so we need to oil our knife to prevent rust. Yan guys, ganda. Sukatin natin kung ilan siya. Yun guys, yung blade length niya is 10 inch, and then the handle is mga 5 inch guys, 5 inch. So total length is 15 inch. Yan guys, ganda niya. Very durable and ganda. Yan, one of my collection, add na naman natin sa collection ko. Yan guys. Yan. So guys, if you want this kind of blade, maganda to. Very functional sa mga sanga-sanga ng puno. Pwede rin pang utility, and of course self-defense. Ganda guys. Yun lang guys for my complete unboxing. So ingat kayo lagi guys, and sana safe tayo lagi. So yun lang guys, fresh checking my new EDC, which is the drop point knife. So yun lang. Thank you guys. Bye.